Hello, good afternoon, Mars. You respect me, I respect you too. Your boyfriend is lucky to have you. Oh, thank you. Where you from in the Philippine city or province? Luzon part, it's Oriental Mindoro. Hi, beautiful. Hi, Jabait. Good afternoon. Jojo, hello, Dom. Hello, Ken. ID number, good afternoon. Tell me if my speak is so fast. Jose, hello, good afternoon. Cherry, hello. Welcome to my live, guys. Is that near in Manila? Yeah, yeah. I think for total of 4 hours, 4 hours going there in Manila. Ara, hello. Kat, hello. Roberto, good afternoon. 4 hours or 3 hours, like that. My GF is in Quezon Province. Oh, really? Did you meet her in Indigo? Pangsak, hello. Did you go here in the Philippines? I'm going to stay at the H2O Hotel at resort in it is in the water. Oh, that's nice, Mike. I hope you enjoy staying in that resort. No, I met her in Okinawa, Japan. I was military. Oh, really? That's nice. So how long have you been together with your girlfriend? Yeah, it's really cool. Aldous, good afternoon. Mark, hello. Luke, good afternoon. Donaldson, hello. ID number, hello. Jason, guys, welcome to my live. Mr. Yusman, good afternoon. Green Cross, hello. May anak ka. Wala talaga. Mukha ba ako meron? Do you have kids? No, I don't have. I'm so young. I don't think that I want to to have time to be a single while we know each other for 3 years but finally settled down in January. Wow! Congrats! 6,000. Hello, Ronnie. I'm so happy to hear that. How young are you? 24. I'm just turning 25 this year. Hello, hello. Jabi, hello, good afternoon. See you soon. Good afternoon. ID number, hello. Hi, Moy. Good afternoon. My last wife was 26. Oh, really? That's nice. And you? What is your age, Mike? Maman, hello. Ricardo, hello. ID number, good afternoon. I hope your relationship, guys, will last longer. 55. Oh, that's nice. She and her sister is the only people I follow. Wow. That's the man. Yeah, that's nice, Armin. Because if 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 I'm your girl, I just happy because I see that oh you're so you know what I think. She's a host. That's nice. Kawag hello. It is late, almost 1 a.m. here. Good night, my sweet beautiful friend. God bless. Good night, my friend Mike. God bless, sweet dreams. Thank you for visiting in my life. Jan Vincent, good afternoon. She's on my profile pictures. Oh, wait. I see your picture only. Oh, she's beautiful. It's a wonderful meeting you. Thank you. Good night. Ciao, hello. So cute. Thank you, Jan Vincent. If that boyfriend doesn't treat you good, you just let me know. Aaron, hello. Yeah, Michael, hello. I remember hello. Yeah. He's good. He's good. My age is 25 years old. Oh, diba yan? I'm just 25 this year. Salsa, hello. Jimmy Ressus, good afternoon. Oh, thanks. She's my love for sure. Yeah. You look good together, Samay. You have the most beautiful eyes, my goodness. Thank you. Rin, hello. Archan, hello. Sineader, hello. Good afternoon. Dongli, hello. Good afternoon. 750, hello. Good afternoon. I like you. Thank you, John Vincent. Bin, hello. Salsa, good afternoon. What is, what's his age? Your girlfriend, sa mine. I'm visiting in 2 months to see her. Wow. That's nice. 23. Oh, she is studying? She is still studying. And you, what is your age? Rix, hello. Dennis, good afternoon. Kato, hello, good afternoon. No, not anymore. She did though. Huh? What do you mean? Again? Jericho, hello. 635, hello. Panda, hello, good afternoon. Ivan here, good afternoon. Papi, hello. Angel, hello. Vians, good afternoon. I follow you, please follow Bimop. She did study but not anymore. Ah, why? She, working na? Okay. She's so young to work. Aizon, hello. Hello, hello. Sleepy, Edison. Bom dia, good afternoon. Jason, hello. Good morning, Jericho, hello. Benji, hello. Trust me, he said I made sure of that. Yeah, yeah. I I trust you. Hi, hello, Benji, hello. Cause girl is want assurance to